Hello guys, welcome to Technical Raghav. So in this video we will learn how you can install a WordPress on your computer without further delay. So let's start today's video. First step, open the browser and search download WordPress. You can see the first website wordpress.org. Click on that website. After clicking on that, the website appears. So scroll down. You can see the download WordPress 5.8. Click on that. The WordPress zip is now downloading. Next step, we have to download a software called Xampp. So type download Xampp. After typing this, you can see the first website apachefriend.org. Click on that website. The website appears. So if you are using Windows, so you can download the Xampp from here. If you are using Linux, so you can download from here. If you are using Mac OS, so you can download from here. I am using Windows, so click on download 64-bit. After it, the Xampp software, it starts downloading. First of all, we have to install a Xampp software on our computer. So click on Xampp. Click on yes. Click on next. Next. You can choose your destination and select your language, which are you in prefer. Click on next. Next. So it starts downloading on your computer. After installing Xampp, you have to cut or copy the WordPress zip which we have downloaded recently. So right click on that zip file and cut and copy. So I am doing cut and go to this PC and select the drive which you have downloaded the Xampp. So I have downloaded Xampp in my C drive. So click on that drive and click on Xampp folder. After it, click on htdocs. After clicking this, you have to paste your WordPress zip file. So right click and paste. After it, you have to unzip this WordPress file. So right click on that file and click on extract here. After zipping, the WordPress name folder appears. So you have to give your website name to this folder. So right click on that folder and rename. So I am not changing the folder name, so you can change it. In this way you can install your WordPress on your computer. After it, we will learn how to set up WordPress on your computer. So let's get started. First of all, open the Xampp. And start Apache and MySQL. It asks for permissions, so you have to allow these permissions. So click on allow access. So you can see that the Apache and MySQL becomes green. It means the Apache and MySQL it started. So you have to minimize this application. After it, you have to open your browser. After it, you have to type local host /php my admin. and slash. After it's hit enter. Now you can see the phpMyAdmin now appear. So click on databases and give your website name. I have given to my website name as WordPress, so I type WordPress. After typing name, you have to click on create. Now your WordPress database is created. So close this tab and type local host slash your website name slash wp slash admin. You have to type this localhost slash your website name. I give the website name as WordPress, so I type WordPress slash wp slash admin and slash and hit enter. After it, you can see that the first page of WordPress appears. So click on let's go. You don't have to touch anything, but you have to change the username and password. So in the username you have to type root, and in the password, in password section you have to erase the password and provide the blank password and click on submit. After it, you have to click on run the installation. After it, you have to give your site title. So I am typing WordPress. You can give anything site title, and you have to give your username and password. With this username and password, you can access your WordPress admin panel. So I am typing admin. You can change it and you can use it different. So you have to change your username password and you have to give your email ID and click on install WordPress. After it, you can save your password in Chrome. Click on login. After it, you have to type your username and password, but I save this username and password in my Chrome, so it automatically fill up these spaces, and click on login. Now you can see the WordPress is installed locally on our computer. So in this way you can install a WordPress on our computer. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so like this video and subscribe our channel to get more information. Thank you. Videos.